FlowBelow is excited to announce the release of the new Tractor AeroKit with flex fairing. It provides the same great fuel-saving wheel covers and drive wheel fairings as our classic AeroKit, but with improved durability, lighter weight, and enhanced features. We categorize the upgrade in three main buckets. First, and what we believe will be the most impactful, is the fairing material change. The classic AeroKit used a TPO plastic, similar to the material bumpers are made from. Moving forward, our flex fairings will be made from TPE plastic, which has more rubber in the compound, allowing the fairing to flex and bend more easily. This will reduce damage that could occur from curbing the rear fairings or from impact with various types of trailers. The fairings will simply bounce back into place when met with resistance. The second improvement category is the redesigned mud flap hanger. The classic AeroKit used a steel hanger and a fairly tall adapter plate which connected the fairing to the hanger. We now have aluminum hangers available for all makes and models. They save weight and are more resistant to corrosion than the original steel hangers. Additionally, for fleets that have been challenged with damaged rear hangers, we now offer a lowering kit that drops the hanger by 7 inches, ensuring it's well out of the way of tight-fitting trailers. We've also redesigned the adapter plate used with the lowering bracket to be significantly smaller and thus less susceptible to impact damage. The third improvement category is the reimagined center mounting system. In AeroKit with flex fairing, we've launched a one-solution-fits-all version of the product. The new center mounting components are all heavy-duty aluminum as opposed to steel. This reduces the weight, improves durability, and makes them more resistant to corrosion. The mounting bar is no longer angled down, but has been redesigned to be positioned straight across. This allows for better access to the fifth wheel, more clearance from the tires, and an easily removable center fairing. Best of all, the center mounting bar is universal and adjustable. It consists of a post and a sleeve that can be held together with quick-release cotter pins for fleets that want to be able to remove the fairing easily, or bolted together for fleets who prefer a more fixed and permanent solution. The bar can be installed in an extended position to allow you to run with chains on, or the center fairing can be easily removed and reinstalled at a later date. AeroKit with flex fairing is an improved product to help more customers save fuel. The fairing material change and the mounting bracket redesigns have been made to improve customer experience, enabling the kit to fit more applications than ever before. If you're interested in learning more, we'd be happy to go into more detail about these exciting improvements to our flagship product.